doing hanging out at Hollywood Studios? I figured I'd run into someone I know here. I have my stars on today, and that is for one very special reason. I am here to see the main stars of Hollywood Studios right now, and that is Mickey and Minnie. They have a brand new ride that just opened up, the Runaway, Mickey's Runaway Train, something like that. It's kind of hard. It's a complicated name. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to run away. Do you want to run away? Come along.
It's based off our name.
I have been up here a lot, but this is a very special trip because I've been here, I think, like 3 weekends in a row. So normally I do not come that much all the way from Sarasota, but there is a special reason. It's not just because there's a new Disney ride open. This ride is the ride that replaced the great movie ride that used to be here. One of the best rides of all time, RIP GMR. And I was actually a cast member on that ride. So this is a very big deal to me. I had to be here for like opening weekend because I was here when they closed the great movie ride. I think it was like August 11th or something like that. And we had some tears. I wore my kind of old school outfit. I didn't actually steal my outfit like some of the cast members did. I kind of recreated my own. I was gonna wear it today. I planned on wearing it as kind of an homage to the great movie ride. But as you can see, I'm in my leathers and stars because it is freezing out. Well, Florida freezing. This is why we're here, the main attraction. And truthfully, for it being opening weekend on this ride, the crowd level is not too crazy right now, and I think it's because I'm later here in the day. It's after 4, but I actually have a fast pass, so I will be doing no waiting hopefully by the time that comes around, but we're just gonna hang out, see what's going on here until it's time for the fast pass. Like I said, 105 for opening weekend is really not too bad right now for a standby entrance. I think that this is going to be a really good adventure today. I'm ready to run away. I just got here and I'm already ready to run away. And I know it's kind of a crazy concept for me to be happy and excited to go on a new ride that overtook a ride that meant a lot to me. I think the reason why I'm taking it so easily is Great Movie Ride closed down, I think like 2017. I've had a lot of time to grieve. I've had a lot of time to process. I've written a memoir about it. No, just kidding. I'm prepared. I am prepared for there to be something new here. And I think the little bonus is they've literally kept the structure as far as I can see, other than the neon lights. This little booth that I have you guys sitting on the same. These little doors I used to walk out of when I was switching positions in between my breaks. So everything feels the same, and I think the interiors are gonna be a little bit similar as well. So it's almost like the Great Movie Ride in some way is still alive and it's living through Mickey and Minnie's Railway. I've even heard they have a little nod in the ride to Great Movie Ride. I hope I can see it. I hope I can spot it. I'm so happy to be here. Really, really stoked for this new ride at Hollywood Studios. They have a little specialty gift shop here with all new Mickey and Minnie ears. And look at this. I think this is a little sign. Goofy is going to be our engineer, our conductor. Look how cute with his little floppy ears. Triple R, baby. Triple R. So all of a sudden, these wishables have popped up everywhere. They are clearly everywhere because they already have a Triple R Goofy conductor one. He's pretty cute. I feel like Jasper would want to play with this. Brand new Magic Band. Limited release here. Pretty dang cute. Alright, so as for now, as you can tell, I have been Travis-less. But now it's time to meet up with the tea and have some tea. Or just a drink at Tune and Lounge, also known as Dad's. It's been a minute. Let's head over. picked up a dude in the bar. I hope that's okay.
Hey.
Now I feel completed. I am ready for this night, and now we're just walking around waiting for our fast pass time, which we might have 2 fast passes, you were telling me?
Well, not might, we do. The ride went down yesterday.
And we had a fast
when the
pass
ride goes
for
down-
yesterday also.
The one yesterday came to an any experience because the ride went down. So
yesterday.
Anytime that happens, you have, it's pretty much 2 days or the next day to use your fast pass too. And I already had one booked for today, so technically we'd have 2.
And he didn't use it, and that means I have one, so we might even get to ride it twice tonight, you guys. Twice the fun. And of course, the Disney Hollywood Studios guide map has changed to be the ride. I don't even know what the ride's gonna look like, so this means nothing to me yet. Something that does mean a lot to me are our friends Micah and Abby, and they are here to experience it with us.
Yeah.
We're gonna run away together. So excited.
I just like-
you like touch Abby? Me and Abby are matching so much that Travis kind of
I just caressed her back.
caressed
I'm like,
Abby
oh,
a little
that's
bit.
Abby.
You know, we're all friends here.
But it is happening, you guys. It is time, at least for our first ride. We're going with Abby and Micah on this one, and we still have our 2 fast passes, so it might be 3 times in one night. That's a pretty good night.
Running away on some railways tonight.
That's true. Micah, we're going in to the great movie ride together.
Tap in.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's the same. I'm so happy.
At least this part.
It's the same queue, and they used to have the Mary Poppins. If you don't know why it's so important that I'm going with Micah, he was also a GMR cast member. So this is a little extra special
Yes.
to be going together.
When you walked in here, the theater was that way.
Yes.
But we're about to go in a room where the old loading doors were.
Oh, so weird. Whoa. I can't believe how much they kept the theming.
You can see the effect that happens with the screen.
Wow.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. Let's take a ride and spend the day in countryside. Yup, we're off to the park.
See you all later.
Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, hi there, folks. Excuse me, you lady.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon and fix this here Loki movie?
Wasn't really the plan, but I guess so, Goofy.
Back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
The Loki motive.
The Loki motive. That is so cool. So we popped right through the screen into the cartoon world now. We're cartoons. We're definitely characters, that's for sure. So walking through here, I'm just already amazed with how much of the queue they kept and kind of refurbished to look like the old Great Movie Ride queue. But it is starting to become its own thing. There's things I don't recognize.
Orange.
Well, because all the lights are orange.
Yeah.
I just can't believe how much they kept from the old ride. I know that those memories feel like they're gone, but like the magic that the Great Movie Ride created, I feel like is living inside of the Runaway Railroad. Don't you think?
It's like a ghost. The spirit lives on forever.
Yeah, and also don't believe his excitement. He's already been on this. He went without me.
How dare you?
So now this
They didn't even know that.
But the train is arriving. We're about to get on. Choo-choo!
Great moving ride.
That's right. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now it's conga.
Go with the smasher!
Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
We've had all the crazy round. On my side. Nothing can slow us down.
Talk about a runaway train. I have some runaway mascara happening.
Ready to go back into the real world?
We did it! That was so much fun. I don't know what I was.
Same effect.
It is the same effect. It's the end, but it's not the end of the evening. We have a couple more rides to go on. Bye, friends. Nice to run away with you. Bye.
See you in the movies.
See you in the movies. We just had a fantastic time hanging out at Baseline for a second with a few friends, and now we get to go on the railway again one more time. I feel so special. I can't believe my first time riding it. I get to ride it again. This is exactly what happened when I went on Rise of the Resistance. I got to ride it twice in one day. Getting to ride the Runaway Railway twice in one night. We have a whole row to ourselves, T.
Whole row.
Hey, what if I want you by me?
Okay. Well, that was an amazing night riding Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
And we got to do it twice in one day, just like Rise of the Resistance. I cannot believe it. It was so much fun.
We got to hang out with multiple friends tonight, Micah and Abby, and
Yeah.
Scott and Emily.
It
So,
was so much fun. Actually, the best night ever. And thanks for coming along, you guys.
but for now,
Peace, love, and positivity.
all the good things.
Thanks for running away, guys. Bye.